Oppo launched the Find X8 Pro in October, and so its successor is probably coming around the same month this year. Ahead of that, we're now hearing that the Find X9 Pro will significantly alter its camera setup compared to its predecessor. According to a new rumor out of China, the Find X9 Pro will only have 3 rear cameras, unlike the X8 Pro which has 4. There will be only one periscope, and it probably won't surprise you to find out that it will be using a large 200MP sensor. It's unclear if this will be the same Samsung ISOCELL HP9 sensor that everyone else in China is currently using. With the use of this sensor, the need for 2 separate periscope cameras will disappear. At least that seems to be Oppo's logic. The Find X9 Pro will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 SoC. The Find X9 series would consist of 4 models: the Find X9, Find X9 Plus, Find X9 Pro, and Find X9 Ultra. They will all allegedly have flat screens, with the Find X9 having the smallest screen size, similar to that of the recently launched Find X8s. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.